Subject of today's cover story, some sweet news for the health of your kids' teeth. A few local dentists are offering a candy buyback this Halloween. Some are offering cash, others are offering toys for every pound of candy collected. Of course, it's all in an effort to prevent kids from overloading on the treats and sparing their teeth the damage that surely follows. And joining us now to talk more about it is Dr. Michelle Stafford, a pediatric dental specialist with the World of Smiles Pediatric Dentistry. Thanks very much for being with us this afternoon.
Thank you.
What are you doing? What's your practice doing?
At World of Smiles, we strive to educate parents and children on the importance of good oral hygiene and healthy habits, and therefore we are exchanging candy for toys in an effort to minimize sugar intake and hopefully prevent cavities.
How will this work? They bring their candy in and...
They can bring their candy into our office, and in exchange they will get toys back.
Simple as that. I think a pretty fair trade for a lot of kids. They'll be overdosed on it by the time they get around to turning it in anyway. Why is it important? Candy, we know, causes cavities.
It does. There's a lot of sugar in candy, so it does cause cavities.
Yeah, and also the risk you run if you're a parent like me and you've got kids with orthodontia, a mouthful of metal, there's a risk there too, isn't it?
Yes, well, sticky candy is actually the worst candy. Jolly Ranchers, things like this, Skittles, things that really stick to the teeth and stay there longer. Also, any kind of candy that you suck on, like suckers, because they stay in your mouth a lot longer, and so the sugar is actually on your teeth and causing cavities even more.
Okay, so there's a list of bad candy. There's got to be a little bit of good candy out there, isn't there?
Well, we don't advocate a lot of candy, but of course on special occasions and holidays, you have to allow your child to have a little bit of candy. So I would say chocolate is your best option. And also, of course, you want to brush and floss right after you have your chocolate.
What kind of turnout do you expect? Kids maybe a little bit reluctant to give up that big bag that they work so hard to fill?
They might be, but we're hoping that we can encourage parents to bring their children in and exchange them for the toys. We have some good toys to offer, some stuffed animals and some cars and bouncy balls.
So something for most age groups in there? Younger,
yes.
Of course.
Younger and older.
So you're going to be giving away toys, and you're going to be keeping these big bags of candy that you're going to share among the staff, of course, right, at your practice?
Oh, well, initially, but then we're actually going to donate all the candy possibly to adult homeless shelters or places with adults, and make sure they brush after as well.
Oh, good. Got to remind them to do it as well. Dr.
Yes.
Michelle Stafford, thank you very much. She is a pediatric dental specialist. We have some more information about this. You can drop by your candy at World of Smiles all next week. It's located at 11790 Southwest Barnes Road. That's in the Cedar Mill area. Here are the hours, Monday through Friday from noon to 2 p.m. and then on Saturday from 8 until 4.